Scout 65 here, and today I just figured out that I can shoot normal foam darts in my paintball gun. Today I'm going to show you. Okay, so we've got the foam dart in the paintball gun. It's loaded. You can see it. That orange thing is the dart. And it's gonna hit the wall. There we go. Oh, it's at the end of the barrel still. It's stuck. Huh. Well, I'm gonna pause it, and I'll fix it, and then I'll get back to you. So after several seconds of pulling it out of the dart, this is the one that was just bunched up in the end of the barrel. And this is the one I'm going to put back in there. In there, cock it. Okay, we are live. Firing in 3, 2, 1. Shot and hit. Nothing. But it is so powerful, it has broken the dart. So, go back to my room and get another dart. Now that we've got another dart in here, we're going to try one more time. We have shot it, and there it is, right on the wall. There, nothing. If you can do it right, just be careful. Do not aim it at anyone because I have, and it hurts a lot. Alright, this is my first log.